Hello guys, welcome to our new video on how do I transfer my AVG to a new computer. That means when you want to transfer an AVG antivirus to a new computer, then what you need to do. If you are having trouble with this issue, just go ahead with the video. Okay, here is a web page which is open in front of you. There is an article on the same topic. Okay, I written the article and I am going to give the link of this article in the description of this YouTube video. Okay, so if you just want to go ahead and check the article, then you just need to click on the description link. Okay, and when you will open that, you will find this page. Now moving towards the video topic. Okay, first of all, if you want to transfer an AVG antivirus to a new computer, then you need to remove the antivirus from the old device. Okay, and for doing this, what you can do, like you can just go to the control panel. Okay, in the control panel you will find program and features section. Okay, you need to open that program and features, and now you need to allocate AVG. Okay, and just double click on it to remove it. Okay, that's it. You need to do what? Just go to the control panel, to the program and features section of the control panel, then just find out the AVG antivirus which will be there. Okay, you just need to double click on that and it will ask you that do you want to uninstall that program. You just need to follow the positive options. Okay, to complete the uninstallation wizard. Okay, so when it is removed, you can just restart that computer and that will be completely removed from that computer. And now somehow if you do not have access of your old computer or the old device, okay, then what you need to do, then you will do a simple thing. Okay, just open your new computer where you want to transfer the AVG subscription. Okay, and in that computer you just need to open a web browser like Google Chrome, like the Microsoft Edge, like the Internet Explorer. Okay, you just need to open it. Okay, and if your new computer is connected with the internet, then you need to type this URL: https://, then account.avg.com. that's it. And if you registered an AVG account before, like if you installed the AVG before, then you must have created a AVG account along with the AVG installation. Okay, so here you need to log into that account. Okay, and if you somehow forgot the password for that AVG account, then you can just recover it from the same URL, from this one. Okay, account.avg.com. you just need to copy this URL on your browser. Okay, on your browser's URL box, and then hit enter key, and then a page will open. Okay, that will be like this. Let me show you. I'm just going to show that page to you. Okay, here it is. Okay, and if you will go to any of the AVG page, you will also see login options there. Okay, these are the support community by the AVG antivirus. Okay, you can also ask your questions there. Okay, now moving towards the transfer of the AVG antivirus. Now if you are logged into your AVG account, okay, on this page, okay, if you are logged in, then there will be two kind of tiles. Okay, the first one is manage. Okay, in the manage device, okay, there is a section, there is a tile that is manage device. if you will go into that section, manage device, then you can just remove the device, the old device, from your AVG account. So in this way that subscription won't work any long. Okay, now you can download the subscription which is just free. Okay, you just need to go to the subscription style. Okay, just go to the subscription style and download your subscription there, and when it is downloaded you just need to double click on that and follow the positive options to install it. Okay, that's it. In this way you can transfer your AVG from an old device to a new device. Okay, so that's it for this video, and if you have any questions then you can just ask below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.